Okay, I'm now going to give the flour and the sugar. I should add the sugar in also, the caster sugar. Okay, and give it all a good sifting or sieving through, something like that. Normally, of course, you can use a spoon to make sure everything, is well filtered through. Now I've added the cold butter to this flour mixture. I've also added a pinch of salt. So now you just need to cover it up. You can use a fork if you like to just, incorporate the cold butter into this flour. But I'm going to use my fingers because it's what I'm used to and it's quite easy to do. Okay, you just do it something like this until you get like a texture of crumble. Okay, I've already greased the pan with butter and I've poured in the apple mixture from the saucepan into this pan. And I've also added the xylem husk. So now all I have to do is to put in the crumble. Oh yeah, I've made the crumble already, something like this. And then I just sprinkle the crumble on. Okay, just like that. Not a big deal, I think. Then you just spread it a little bit. Don't press it down, there's no need to do that much. Just make sure it's well spread all over. Like that. Oh, I've added a bit of water to the crumble because I used less butter. And as you know, butter contains 20% moisture. But since I used less butter, I had to add a bit of water. Otherwise, it wouldn't become a crumble. Okay, you can pat it down a little bit if you like. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of rolled oats on top to give it added texture. Okay, something like that. Okay. And you should add a sprinkling of sugar and then you can pop it into the oven. I preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. That should do it. See you later. Ooh, yums. I've taken it out from the oven. I think it was for about 25 minutes I baked it. And now I'm going to dish myself out a piece. Oh, yes. Okay. Nice crumble. Lovely apple texture. As you can see, it doesn't make much of a difference whether you've peeled it or not. I like lots of apples, so that's how I'm going to have it. Okay, I'm going to eat a bit of crumble now first to see if it's okay. Yeah. And some apple. Lovely. Very tasty. I think I could have put the crumble in for a little longer, maybe another 5 minutes or so. Okay, lovely. Hope you can make it too. All in, it cost about $4.90. Yums.